Hello, we are back and this has fully dried. So what I'm going to do is mix up one more layer of glaze, and I'm going to use my phthalo, just a little of that. I'm also going to use a little bit of gold, and I'm going to use my satin glaze that I've been using. This is again another very thin layer. So we want more glaze than paint. I would say, oh boy, maybe about 1/4 teaspoon to 1/8 of a teaspoon each of those. And then maybe a good tablespoon of the glaze, a few spritzes of water. And I'm going to mix that up. I do want it to be a little bit iridescent. So we've got a nice thin layer there. My canvas back here. I am going to give it just a couple spritzes of water. Now the only reason I'm doing this is I know it's very dry. It's 48 hours. So I know I'll be okay. If it was any less than that, I would not be spritzing it. I would be wiping it with a brush with a little water. Now as you can see, I mixed that with my brush. And when you mix with your brush and not a spoon or a palette knife, there are the tendencies of your brush to hold paint in certain areas and you will get that streak. I don't mind that for this painting, so I'm okay with that because I'm going to go ahead and blend that. And I like to have that little color variation. If you really wanted a full-on 100% flat color and you did not want it to have any streaks whatsoever, you would absolutely not mix with your brush that you're going to use. You would want to mix with another utensil and then use your brush, and make sure it's very well mixed before you introduce it to your canvas. But for my purposes today, I like that, and I hoped that I'd actually get a few of those streaks because it gives me that pretty color variation. So I'm applying this, back and forth, just kind of blending that all in, giving myself one more thin layer of color. And then what we're going to do, I think we'll be at a good point. We'll be able to let this dry thoroughly, and wipe my sides quickly while I talk. Let this dry thoroughly, and then we can come back, assess, and see if we're ready for our top layer.